So hi, hello and welcome, Microbehunter here, and today I'll put something slightly unusual under the microscope, some shaving foam, because I would like to find out how many foam bubbles there are every time when I shave myself. How many tiny foam bubbles are there? And today we have to therefore measure out the size of a foam bubble under the microscope to do a little bit of math. Then don't worry, I'll spare you with the math part, and then I'm able to figure out the total number of foam bubbles that I put on my face every day when I shave. Well, this is basically what you have to do: a very thin layer of a shaving foam on a microscope slide, and then you also need a so-called micrometer slide. This is a special type of slide that contains many tiny little lines, which allows you to make measurements under the microscope, and we need that in order to determine the size of the foam bubbles. And this is already now under the microscope. One line is 0.01 millimeters. Here you see it. And of course, in order to see make the measurements a little bit better, I have to go to a higher magnification here. And yeah, that's basically how it looks like. And then I'm going to compare the size of this micrometer scale with the size of an average foam bubble. Well, and yeah, this is how foam looks under the microscope. My shaving foam under the microscope, hundreds, thousands of tiny foam bubbles of different sizes. It makes it already a little bit difficult. Which one am I going to take? Should we take the larger ones or the smaller ones? It doesn't really matter because I'm only interested in an estimate number. I'm not actually interested in the exact number, but yeah, just an order of magnitude that's important. Yeah, so I go up with the magnification. I think they look kind of pretty. Yeah, they look pretty nice, and I have to hurry up because the foam bubbles start to pop and they start to fuse together. And here I'm now superimposing. I'm superimposing now the micrometer slide with the foam bubbles, and I assumed that a foam bubble has approximately the diameter of 0.05 millimeters, so pretty small. And then I was able to do a little bit of math, and I was able to determine that in 10 milliliters of foam, that's approximately the amount that I put on my face every day, I have 1.5 million bubbles. Yeah, that's a large number. And the question is now, of course, over the course of 70 years, assuming that I'm going to shave myself 70 years, it's 4 trillion foam bubbles that I put on my face. Now, how much foam is that? If I were to now empty all of those shaving foam cans, it would be about 2.5 cubic meters of foam over 70 years. I hope I did my math correctly here, but that's quite a lot of foam and quite many foam bubbles here. Yeah, I know it's a little bit of a crazy topic to think about, but I think sometimes useless knowledge can also be quite interesting. Happy microbe hunting as always, and see you around next time. Bye bye.